Today we are diving into the timeless charm of the old money aesthetic. Don't worry, it's not just for the elite. Anyone can rock this look. Get ready to elevate your style and become the embodiment of class with this step-by-step guide. Step number 1. Minimalist elegance. Want a wardrobe that screams quality and simplicity? Think minimalist. Prioritize quality over trends, keeping your attire clean and understated. Leave the flashy statements for the runway. Your everyday style should whisper sophistication. Step number 2. Classic colors. Classic shades like black, white, beige, and deep greens are your best allies. Say goodbye to trendy colors and embrace timeless patterns like houndstooth and vertical stripes. These colors exude an air of refinement that never goes out of fashion. Step number 3. Timeless attire. Let's talk wardrobe essentials that define the old money look. Shirts. Elegance is key. Opt for minimalist classic shirts. Polo and Oxford shirts are your go-tos for summer, while premium button-ups made from silk or cotton elevate your formal style. When temperatures drop, add cable knit or ribbed sweaters in neutral tones. Pants. Think fabrics and cuts. Wool trousers, chinos, and dress pants radiate sophistication. Cotton works for warmer days, transitioning to wool in winter and linen during summer. Shorts. Even in the heat, maintain your class with tailored chinos or Bermuda shorts. T-shirts. Simple tees are your canvas. Well-fitted, neutral tees serve as the base for layering or pairing with classics. Footwear. Leather loafers, brogues, and Oxford shoes speak volumes. Minimalist sneakers in white leather or canvas are a modern nod to tradition too. And finally, outerwear. A coat from an esteemed brand adds luxury. It's not all about the labels, it's about timelessness and its quality, so go for that. Step number 4. Tailored perfection. Garments are only as good as their fit. Enter the tailor and they'll transform your clothes into a masterpiece that'll flatter your form. This may, however, cost a little bit more. Step number 5. Classic accessories. Less is more. Opt for a sleek leather belt with a discreet buckle. Invest in a minimalist wristwatch and timeless glasses that complement your face shape. And finally, step number 6. Fragrance of royalty. Last touch is your scent. Choosing the right fragrance is an art, something which is vital for the aesthetic to work. I'll reveal the secrets soon in another video, which I'm working on right now. Subscribe not to miss out. And there you have it, the old money aesthetic decoded. I know this is a short guide, but hopefully this helps. Embrace elegance, redefine sophistication, and elevate your style to its maximum. Subscribe for more style wisdom. Until next time, peace out.